Hello everyone and welcome back to Gardening with Green. Today I am going to be transplanting my slicing cucumber and my pickling cucumber that I grew inside about 8 weeks ago. I am going to be transplanting it into this pot right here. I have amended some soil with peat moss, blood meal, garden lime, and bone meal. You can look at my corn video or my cabbage and broccoli video and see how to amend old potting soil. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to transplant these into this pot right here that has the peat moss, blood meal, bone meal, garden lime, some new soil, and also some old soil from last year. And I'm just going to be transplanting these so they can get off to a healthy start. Well, they already off to a healthy start, but a healthier start to start producing some cucumbers. I have my little tomato cage right here. I use these for my cucumbers because cucumbers are like a trailing plant, so they grow like little tendrils and they attach on to like trellises and stuff like that to secure the fruit. So I am going to put my tomato cage in here, and I'm going to just be transplanting my pickling cucumber and my slicing cucumber into the soil. When you bury it, well, first I'm going to take off this. This is a peat pellet, just in case you guys want to know. It's decomposed peat moss, and it's good for developing healthy root systems. And it's also neat when you plant. You take it, sit it in water for about 10 minutes. It absorbs the water, and you just plant your seed from there, and it'll germinate from there if it's a good seed. You don't have to take these off. This mesh is biodegradable, but since this is like 8 weeks old, I want to get it off and running, so I went ahead and took the mesh off of there. And you want to plant it right at the soil level, right where the stem is coming out of the soil. That's where you want to start it at. Plant it right there. Just put it in there, cover it up, press a little firm, not too firm because you don't want to break the stem, but just press it lightly. And I'm planting it like close to this bar right here so the tendrils can catch on. Oh, let me take the little mesh off. Got that quick. Take the mesh off of here. Like I said, you don't have to do this. The mesh is biodegradable, but you can do so if you choose to. I just want to get it off and running. Okay. I got my pickling cucumber and my slicing cucumber in the same container because, first of all, sharing is caring, and I only have a small space, so this will be good for these two plants. It's only two in here, and it's enough soil in there and enough nutrients to where if I keep it hydrated like I will, both plants will grow successfully. I've grown 3 cucumber plants in a 5-gallon container before, so it'll work out just fine. I'm going to water these in really nicely. Give them a little love, because we all need a little love every now and then. All right. And I have my cucumbers planted, slicing and pickling, and I cannot wait to make me some nice, cool cucumber salad. Add some onions in there with some vinegar, some salt and pepper. Ooh, it's gonna be so good. So, thank you for tuning into Gardening with Green. Let me give you a little close-up of it, where you see how I planted them. Thank you guys so much for tuning into Gardening with Green, and I'll see you on the next video. Enjoy your day.